Imagine get a landing page masterclass within just a couple of minutes. Well, this is hopefully what you're going to get on this video. I'm going to show you how to optimize the above the fold section of your product page. My name's Oliver Kenyon, and for 11 years, I've been obsessing over landing page design and conversion rate optimization. And my agency has designed more landing pages than any other agency on the planet. And I'm going to lift the lid on one of our internal projects. This is episode number 63 of CRO Insights. Let's jump into that product page redesign. So as you can see in front of you, you've got the before design of when the client bought us the page and the after design that we delivered. And we're going to start with point number 1. When you have product pages with apparel brands, people get afraid that you can't do a 1-to-1 ratio on images, but it's not true. You can still showcase that image beautifully, but just by putting it 1-to-1, you have more real estate above the fold, and you can get in these all-important product thumbnails. I've said it time and time again, a lot of people use these dots to save space, but thumbnails convert better. It's a better usability experience. People can visually see that there's other images, and the more images people view, the more likely are they to purchase your product. Point number 2 is you can see on the before, there was no social proof. So how do we do that? Just very, very simply. We just show the rating of the store or the product. 5 gold stars, rating out of 5, happy customers, job done. Number 3 is we've showcased you how you would have pricing if it was in a sale. So you have the strike through price first, then you have the new price, and then you have the monetary or discount saving within a label. And we've added this subtle form of scarcity. This is one to be tested, but it just says in stock now, and it could increase FOMO and therefore have more people purchasing your product. Number 4 is a very small change, but one that I believe has a huge effect. We've just clearly displayed the options and told people exactly what they need to do. So we've left aligned everything because it's naturally how you read. We put select your color instead of just having color, and then we put select your size. It's almost like informing them of the steps they need to take to then check out. I always say, you're far better at converting people when you treat them as if they're 5, and that's all down to this sort of thing. And number 5 is something I can't believe these guys didn't do, and if you're not doing and you're selling apparel online, then you're losing out on loads of money, making sure you have a size guide that's visual, that can click and can bring up a modal that explains the sizing of your products, therefore getting more people to then check out. It removes any friction. Speaking of checking out, look at the call to action button. It's bigger, it's bolder, it has a directional cue, and it's pointing you towards that checkout. Speaking of checkout, make sure you check out our YouTube channel. Make sure you hit subscribe. And if you want my company ConversionWise to design you a high converting landing page, then you can get in touch at ConversionWise.com.